Hi, my name is Darby. I'm the new staff here in the Kitchen Journal. And today, we're gonna talk about coconuts. Oh, hey there, good morning. Today we're so excited of our coconut trees. You know what? They're gonna be fruiting soon. Now, if you will take a look at this, come on with me, come closer. That's what I'm talking about. Last week, we noticed this one. Take a look at that. That's the takong. See this part? And on the other side is this one. Oh my God, isn't it amazing? Do you know what is unique on this coconut tree? It's just as short as me. Look. These coconut trees were planted 3 years ago to replace the palm trees that we had that was growing so tall. Most palm trees grew so tall that we cannot reach the dried leaves. It's so hard to take off the dried leaves, so it's kind of like messy. So we planted the shorter ones. Looks like palm trees, but it's coconut trees. And guess what? We're gonna have fruit soon. So we planted 3 of them right here behind me, and the other one there, and on the other ones over there, which they are the dwarf varieties. So picking up the fruits is not going to be an issue. We have 3 of them in the front yard, and we got more in the backyard. What's going to be amazing is that we're going to make one of the trees to fruit a little bit, and then we'll make some vinegar out of it, like tuba. Do you like that? You don't know what it is? It's like coconut wine, but then you can make it mature a little bit further and make it into vinegar. We are so excited about it because we're gonna have an organic coconut vinegar that we can rarely find these days in the market. And guess what? Making it is gonna be a breeze because they're so short and we don't have to climb up in the tree. We are so looking forward for it, and we're so excited. Once we process, I'll keep you updated. And that's it for today. Just sharing my excitement. You have a nice day. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet. For today, thank you for watching. Thanks for dropping by here in the Kitchen Journal. See you again soon.